261 horsepower, meaning that we have
leading car up front in the grey 340, and I will guide you through this scenic drive with this fantastic cars. So obviously now we are leaving the exhibition area. We are entering the public roads, and this is obviously something to keep in mind, that we are trying to stay intact with the group, stay in a good and correct, and always have an eye on this car in front of you. In this case we have a good formation in the group. So we are taking a right turn immediately out from the exhibition area. And obviously Sebastian is last in the queue in the following car, and if there is some problems, or if one car gets a little bit on the back foot, he is there to help you and guide you to
Nå må jeg bare kanskje følge litt med på veien over og samtidig, men bare håpe at vi treffer riktig. Det er jo fantastisk bil. Oi, herregud, han bakerste kom jo helt vilt.
So we continue going a bit slower here in between another exit. So for now you can, or I would recommend you to go into My Modes. My Modes you find in the middle console. It says My Modes, and from there you can go in the different drive modes. So for example you can put it into Sport. For now I would recommend you to put it into Sport, because soon in a minute or two we are going to do a acceleration. So if you want, put it in Sport, and we are approaching our next exit towards Gothenburg.
Ja, jeg skal svinge.
Den boost-knappen. Hva skjer hvis du trykker inn og...
Du merker at den bare reagerer, men jeg tror du må vente så ikke den
Ja, gasser den på når du trykker inn boost-knappen.
Ja.
That we can test some acceleration on, so be prepared and keep an eye in your left side mirror to see if there's not some oncoming cars. And for me now it looks clear, so I'm pushing it into Sport, and then I floor it and we go left.
Åh, fy. Herregud.
Looks good. There will be more acceleration opportunities further on the route, but now we have roughly about 3.5 kilometers on the highway more, then we are entering some more dynamic roads. So for now we can position ourselves in the right lane. It's not necessary to move to the left lane for now. We can stay in the right lane.
Sånn er det din tur, David.
So pause me.
So, Jørn David, what do you think about that car?
It's a great car.
Yeah.
So now we are entering a slow zone of 40 kilometers per hour, and this is a very good place to try and test the rear wheel steering. So the rear wheel steering works at a maximum of 2.5 degrees. And while going this slow, if you look at me in the leading car, just try to wave a little bit gently from side to side and think of the rear wheels, because then you can really feel how they help the car to rotate. It's quite impressive, I would say, and obviously this helps in more speed as well, but it's easier to feel while going in low speed. So now we are about to take a right-hand turn, and from now I would suggest you to go into my modes and put the car in sport.
I think it's already in sport mode.
So we are not doing the acceleration after the right-hand turn. We are...
Don't stop. Keep your cars rolling before doing the acceleration.
Okay, thank you, Sebastian. So we're just going a little bit slowly. Put your car into sport. Locate the boost paddle on the left-hand side. We almost have a clear road, and then you can just floor it.
It's a lavine. Floor it. Altså på e-post. Ja. Here, David, is it a powerful car?
Yeah.
So in my eyes, as a race car driver, that is actually very...
This is a smaller roads.
So put the car in whatever my mode you want and stay at your side of the road and have a great feel of what the cars can offer you on more dynamic roads over here.
What the power?
So we are about to turn our indicators to the left. There is a parking lot in front of us, and we are entering this parking lot, and we are doing from there a car swap. So just follow me, follow the car ahead of you, and we are going forward here and making a U-turn, and after this stopping in a straight line. So just make a U-turn. And from there you can just stop.
Good experience. the end of the test drive, we were very lucky to have the possibility to see something new from BMW coming very soon. So if you want to keep in touch, please click subscribe. Thank you.